Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to import a project from your spreadsheet to Asana. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. This is a fairly simple method and it's very easy to do, so I have no doubts that you will be able to do this as well. So guys, anyways, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is open up your Asana program if you haven't already. After entering the Asana application, you will be greeted by this main page here, which is the home page. If you look at the left side of the screen, you will be able to see all of the options that you can enter, such as My Tasks, Inbox, and so on, so on. And down here are all of the projects that you are working on. Here is your workspace called My Workspace. So guys, to import a spreadsheet to your project, either as a new project or into your project, you want to do the following. You want to go here and click the plus next to the My Workspace name. Go ahead and click the plus and you will be prompted up by this array of options where you can either invite people, create a template, so on and so on. We want to select the option that is called Import a Spreadsheet. So go ahead and click on Import a Spreadsheet. You'll be greeted by this main page here where you can enter your project name. Let's say that we want to name it YouTube Tutorial. You can select it either to public or private, depending if you want people to see it or not, and click on the button that says Select File to Import. You'll be greeted by this page here, where you'll be able to enter a file from either Excel directly or from some other site, or you can directly from your computer upload it. So we're going to upload a file from our computer. Click right here. Clicking right here, go ahead and browse to the file where it is located. You can see here I have an Excel file that I'm going to import. So go ahead, click on that and just click open. As you can see here guys, now this tells me what I'm going to import, what task I have, so on, so on. So as I can just click, I can go click the, you can either make changes or you can click the blue button to continue, go to project. As you can see here guys, looking at the left screen, you can see that there is a new project created called YouTube Tutorial that I just created with all the tasks and so on that we have listed in our Excel spreadsheet. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. That's how you import a spreadsheet to your Asana. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.